Hello there, folks. Greetings. With me today is Seth Call, one of our Call Science boys and assistants. He is going to demonstrate today a little bit of conservation of momentum in collisions with, what is this called, Seth?
Newton's Cradle.
Newton's Cradle was one of his favorite toys to find in my demo displays when he was 1 year old. And he got tangled up a few times, but he's learned a few tricks over the years. So what we're going to start with here now, as we could see in this Newton's Cradle, can you hold it still for a second, Seth?
Yeah.
All the balls align. What we're going to see here is that a typical Newton's Cradle has balls, usually metallic balls, and they're all the same mass, which really allows us to look at a good demonstration of conservation of momentum. Now what's going to happen is, Seth, go ahead and, yes, only take one metal ball and go ahead and release it from a certain height and try to keep it as less chaotic as possible, and we'll see what happens here.
Put my hand right there. Sorry.
Okay, release. What you notice here is that one of the balls goes ahead and displaces the other same mass ball on the other end, but eventually the whole system slows. Why is that? Okay, let's go ahead and do one ball on each side at the same time, Seth. Go ahead and demonstrate. Wow. Okay, let's do a little cleaner cut here. How about that? Isn't that interesting? Now, something to think about is if the balls weren't the same mass, what would happen? You hear a lot of sound involved here, so it sounds to me like there's some energy escapes. Okay, next thing here, Seth, let's go ahead and do two balls at the same time.
But what if you do this?
Oh, that's interesting. Oh, it's a lot of fun little experiments you could do with collisions in Newton's Cradle. Okay, let's do two mass balls at the same time.
What about two at first?
Yes, let's leave the other three at rest and release those two. So you can see that two same mass balls will displace two other same mass balls on the same side. Okay, now let's pull two and two aside and try to achieve the same height so they have the same potential energy. All right, let's release them and see what happens. Nice.
What if we do this, though?
So if you saw what Seth Call did there, he just got curious and he pulled two balls aside on one side and three on the other. And it looks like the middle ball gets tossed back and forth. Anyways, this is one of your standard demos in conservation of linear momentum. And Newton's Cradle has brought fascination for many, many years and hopefully continues to do so. Thank you very much, Seth Call. And what we'll do is we'll end this video and we'll do another clip on slow-mo. Thank you.